Through the mist of a decaying dreamscape, three ghostly children drift between broken memories. Each wears buttons sewn deep into hollow eyes. They relive how they were lured by comfort and sewn into silence, their innocent laughter echoing into nothingness. One watches his reflection stitch itself together, a silent testament to a pact made in shadows. But a shadow always looms, a hand with silver thimble claws reaching, forever claiming what it desires. They vanish, leaving behind only buttons and an unspoken question. Will you join us?